more confirmation of global adoption for XRP, guys, in particular, okay? Evernorth is the company, right? To go public with over what? 1 billion? That's another billion. Then we just see G Treasury with a $1 billion deal, guys. Mind y'all, come on now. Check it out though. So, a newly formed Nevada corporation called Evernorth that will enable XRP adoption on an institutional scale, guys, today announced its public launch and the execution of a business combination agreement with who? Armada Acquisition Corp, already listed on the NASDAQ as AACI, a publicly traded special purpose acquisition company, okay? Upon closing of the transaction, the combined company will operate under the Evernorth name and is expected to trade on NASDAQ under the ticker XRPN. That's going to be what you're going to look for on the NASDAQ, okay, if you're looking to invest in this, subject to the satisfaction of the listing requirement. Now, this transaction is expected to raise over $1 billion in gross proceeds, including $200 million from SBI and additional investments from Ripple Works, of course, right? And leading digital asset and fintech leaders and investors such as Pantera Capital, Kraken, GSR, with participation from Ripple co-founder Chris Larson, among others, right? Net proceeds will primarily fund open market purchases of XRP to build the world's leading institutional XRP treasury, guys. Treasury it's a word that continuously keeps popping up when you're talking about an accumulation of XRP. Okay? Keep in mind. With a portion allocated to working capital, general corporate purposes, and transaction expense. Now, how will this advance the XRP ecosystem is the question, okay? Validator participation and network security. Operating XRP validators to strengthen the resilience and decentralization of the ledger, okay? DeFi integration, leveraging Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin as an on-ramp into XRP-based decentralized finance, enabling what? Yield opportunities and broader adoption as collateral. Okay, we're using it, putting it in treasuries with the intentions of using it for collateral. Okay, market development, providing liquidity and participating in projects that expands XRP real world utility across who? Payments, capital markets, and tokenized assets. Now, the chief executive officer of Evernorth, guys, is someone by the name of Ashish Burla, who was actually a senior executive at Ripple, okay? I think that's a pretty good move. Now ask yourself, if XRP is being put in treasuries with the intention to use as collateral by some of the largest and most prominent companies, guys, right? We already see XRP is literally being used as collateral to what? Give out loans, right? Using XRP as collateral, right? These are multiple companies giving out loans. CoinRabbit provides XRP crypto loans with instant approval using XRP as collateral, right? Cropty allows borrowing against your XRP with Tether USDT as the loan currency, right? Maple, an institutional cryptocurrency lender that has completed loan deals using XRP as collateral, right? BitTrue, come on, guys. Huh? Ask yourself, if we're able to use this asset as collateral in so many places right now already, guys, what could be so good about XRP? What, like, you're telling me we're able to leverage it as collateral, but it's not going to be at least a high price, at least $1,000, guys? We're talking about using it for real estate. We're talking about using it for loans. We're talking about being able to leverage it to buy even more, to accumulate even more assets. Ask yourself, what's so good about XRP in comparison to all your other tokens?